our location will be now at some point. So this might work for now, but it's not sustainable. So we are going to revert this, okay, to Shibuya, okay. So we need to use effect right here. Okay, and we're going to call this use effect. We're going to trigger use effect with location, a change in location, as well as the coordinates. Okay, so what we need to do, if we have location, we're going to change we're going to set new variables to this map region. Okay, we're going to set a new map region. So let's just copy whatever we have in here, and we're going to paste it in here. We're going to change the deltas to this one. We're going to change it to 0.1, and this one we're going to change it to 0.3. And here we're going to use location. Okay, location.codes dot latitude, and down below is going to be the same, but it's going to be for the longitude, like that. Let's save. Okay, okay, zoom it up, like zoom it a little bit, so we're around Union Square. So next we're going to try to fetch directions. So to fetch directions, we need the function. We already have the function inside of our Google Maps, Google API services. Okay, we have the function right here. We have the function right here. So we need to just cut this function from here. And then we need to paste it down below our use effect. One thing to take note, we require an API key to call the function, okay? And we need to set coordinates, and we need to set directions here. So we need to have our API key. So I'm going to just go ahead, create a variable right on top. Wow, those are a lot of zeros. Consts API key is equals to, then you need to paste your API key here, okay? But the name has to be corresponding to this name. Okay, so make sure the names are the same. This one and the name that you're using. So I'm going to paste my API key, then you should do the same as well. So here we need start latitude, start longitude, destination latitude, and destination longitude. Okay, to have our directions. So we're going to set these in these values, in directions and coordinates. But we need an extra function, which is this function, decode, to get the polylines. So we need to go back to our Google API, we have this function decode. Okay, it's a little bit tedious, so that's why we have it here. I'm not going to like explain, but it will give us the results that we want. And we're going to paste it down below here. After pasting it down, when you're calling the function, we're pushing encoded polylines, all right? And then we can just decode. After decoding, then we're setting whatever we're getting from this into coordinates. And these coordinates are the ones that we are going to transfer to our state variable here, okay? And we use them to draw lines on our map.